Okay, we've just come to Alphard's, and we do have a key with this. This is not an all keys loss, but there's only one key for it. So what I've done is I've copied the transponder and I programmed in the remote. So we'll just test that. I think we're good. So that's a good thing. Well, I've got the remote. I've got a remote there for you. So we'll just test it. Car locks. So obviously this is only a 3-button one, so lock and unlock, and that's about it. Yeah. And I will now do the key part. Okay, so now we've duplicated the key, and I've just tested in the ignition and that works. So we'll put this back together and we'll go and try it in the car. See if the car starts. Okay, so that's the key. And we will test it now. I'll just test the original.